Today I am going to teach you Chapter 7 Consumer in the Market. Consumer means customer. Who is customer? The person who pays the price and purchases products is called a customer. When we buy things from the market and we pay the price, so we are customer. Now students, here we have one activity. This activity you have to write in the box. Name of the thing. You have to write name of the thing, then produced in, from where, farm or factory, that you have to write, and where will you buy these things from and why. So this you have to write. Here we can see a person who purchases household goods from a shop, cooperative store, weekly market, shopping complex or shopping mall, and by making payment is known as a customer or consumer. And many times customers do not get satisfaction for the products they have purchased from the market in spite of having paid the price. So in order to ensure the quality of goods, the government has sanctioned the following symbols or marks for the different products. Here we can see different symbols, and these are given by the government. First is egg mark symbol used for agriculture products. So this egg mark we can see on the agriculture products. Second is ISI mark or ISI symbol, and this we can see on the household products. Third is wool mark. So we can see this mark on the woolen clothes or woolen products. And BIS hallmark. This we can see on silver or gold ornaments. When we buy things, so we should check all these symbols because these are in good quality. And usually the things marked with the above symbols or marks are quality goods. And there is green color mark for the vegetarian edibles. And there is red color mark for the non-vegetarian edibles. Dear students, when we buy things and green color mark is there, means in this product vegetarian edible is there. And if red colored mark is there, means non-vegetarian edibles are there in this product. And this type of color marks we can see on different wrappers. Now we have activity. So you have to do this activity. You have to observe one wrapper and you have to write all this information in this box. For example, name of the product, then its price, printed price, name of the company, its weight, date and month of packing, expiry date, symbol, and where is used. So all this information we can get from the wrappers. Jago, Grahak Jago. What does the word Jago mean and what should the consumer be aware of? So here Jago means a wake-up call to the consumers, and the government of India has passed the Consumer Protection Act in 1986. This act has given number of rights as well as the duties of the consumer. They should be aware of the rights as well as the duties, and the nationwide movements of the consumers will ensure fair trade and stop unfair trade practices. Now, what are your responsibilities as a consumer? So, before purchasing any goods or any products, we should check price, quality, then its after sale service warranty or guarantee card, if possible secure guarantee card. So we should check all this information. Then we should always purchase products with egg mark or ISI mark because they are in good quality. We should opt in the bill for the products. If not satisfied with the products, we should lodge a complaint. We can complain. For this, we should take help of the Consumer Protection Forum. And while purchasing food items and medicines, We should check the MRP, weight, date of expiry, name and address of the manufacturer. We should not fall prey to the misleading advertisements. We should insist on the weighment by standard weighing measures. These are our responsibilities. Now, consumers' rights. The rights of the consumer to obtain information about the price, quality, weight, and purity of goods. Then to make choice from a variety of products. To make complaint when not satisfied with the goods or and get justice in this regard. And to ask for the bill of the products. To secure compensation from the trader or manufacturer for the financial loss and mental harassment due to the inferior quality of goods. Now here we can see a story. So in this story, Mahesh Bhai buys a TV set from the shop, but after some time this TV was not working. So Mahesh Bhai inquiries about it at the TV shop and he does not get satisfactory answer from the shopkeeper. So he goes to the consumer protection office and complain about him. And he goes to consumer court to file a case and takes registration form from the court office. And he argues his case in the court. And the judge checks the document and afterwards Mahesh Bhai got justice. The judge gives the verdict in which he says Mahesh Bhai paid the entire amount but did not get a good quality TV set. And a shopkeeper should not be responsible towards the needs of a consumer. Therefore, according to the court's order, a new TV set should be given to Mahesh Bhai in place of the old one within a week. So, Mahesh Bhai got a new TV set because his TV was not working in a proper way. Dear students, when we buy new products or new things, we should be aware of these things.